Hey everyone, my name is Matthew and I'm the creator of this Blueprint course. I appreciate you showing interest in the course, but I understand you might have a few questions first. To begin, I'm an Unreal Engine developer at 1 to 100 in New Zealand. I've been working in Unreal Engine for a while now, and I'm so excited to teach you everything that I've learned over the last few years. This course will cover fundamental blueprint lessons in Unreal Engine, and with those blueprints, you will be able to create your own powerful interactive ArcViz scenes for touchscreen interfaces. As the world of ArcViz evolves, sometimes static imagery just isn't enough, so we're hoping this course will take your Unreal projects to the next level. My series of clear, step by step lessons is taught over 18 episodes and is only 200 minutes in length. That's about the same time as watching a modern movie. That's actually less time than it took me to record this video. Some episodes are as little as 3 minutes long, while others get into the 40-minute mark, but everything is straightforward, well planned out, and will guide you every step of the way on your new Unreal Engine journey. You'll learn basic things like setting up player inputs for your character or creating a modular heads-up display system that allows you to change materials or even change levels entirely. Now, who is this course for, you might ask? You'll need some prior experience in Unreal Engine, of course. If you've used Unreal before to create 3D scenes and you want to add a bit of interactivity to that, then this is perfect for you. If you haven't done that, or if you're just a beginner in Unreal, then we recommend checking out some of our other courses first. If you have any questions, or if you're not sure if this course is right for you, then please reach out and don't hesitate to ask us any questions. We're always here to help. I've used these blueprints over many different projects with many different clients. And once you finish this course, you'll be able to pitch your new skills and find your own unique clients too. Thanks for taking your time, and we'll see you on the course.